Based on DJI's recent launches and the direction the company has been taking with its latest drones, we can make some very realistic predictions about what the upcoming DJI Air 4 might bring to the table. DJI has been refining its product lines with clear strategies, and if we look closely at those patterns, we can piece together a surprisingly detailed picture of this next-generation mid-range drone. In today's video, we're going to break down the possible design, camera system, sensors, transmission range, battery performance, pricing, and even the most likely launch window of the Air 4. There's been a lot of speculation, especially after a leak surfaced showing what many believe to be an early prototype. But was it really the Air 4? Or something else entirely? Let's dive deep and separate facts from assumptions. Last year, a leak shared by Jasper Ellens revealed a damaged prototype that many initially believed to be the Air 4. The drone showed a design closely resembling the Mavic 4 Pro, particularly with its obstacle avoidance sensors positioned in similar locations. The arms also appeared slightly thicker compared to the Air 3S, hinting at a more reinforced and refined structure. After enhancing the leaked image, reducing noise, removing interference, and improving resolution, more details became visible. One crucial detail stood out immediately. The prototype had no camera module. And that's significant. The defining characteristic of the Air series, especially the Air 3S, is its dual camera system. Removing that would fundamentally change the identity of the lineup. When comparing the leaked prototype side by side with the Mavic 4 Pro at the same scale, a logical conclusion emerges. The drone in the image was likely a crashed Mavic 4 Pro test unit rather than an Air 4. That raises a bigger question. What does the future hold for the Air lineup? In my opinion, DJI is unlikely to discontinue the Air series. It fills a perfectly balanced niche in the market, positioned between the compact mini line and the premium Mavic models. It's a mid-sized drone tailored for users who want advanced features without paying flagship prices. So what could the Air 4 actually look like? Following DJI's recent design language, there's a strong chance it will borrow heavily from the Mavic 4 Pro's aesthetics. That means a more sculpted body, enhanced aerodynamics, and possibly a larger spherical camera module dominating the front. However, unlike the Mavic 4 Pro's triple camera system, the Air 4 would likely retain a dual camera setup, its signature feature. Expect a 1-inch main sensor paired with a wide-angle lens, delivering excellent low-light performance and high dynamic range. The second camera could see a sensor upgrade while maintaining the 70mm lens for 3x optical zoom, a configuration that has proven highly practical for creators. The Air 3S was also the first in the lineup to introduce LiDAR technology, with a 25-meter detection range. The Air 4 will almost certainly keep this sensor but enhance it further with more advanced AI-powered object recognition and tracking. By the time this drone launches, DJI's processing algorithms will likely be significantly more refined. Transmission range is another area where improvements are expected. The Air 3S already offers an impressive 20 kilometers range. Ideally, the Air 4 could extend this to around 25 kilometers. If it stays below that, it risks being outperformed by the Mini 5. If it pushes closer to 30 kilometers, it would begin overlapping with the Mavic 4's territory, which DJI may want to avoid to maintain product separation. Battery life should also see incremental gains. With the Air 3S delivering up to 45 minutes of flight time, the Air 4 could realistically reach around 50 minutes thanks to ongoing efficiency improvements in battery chemistry and motor optimization. Pricing will likely follow a familiar structure. The Fly More combo, including the RC2 controller, intelligent charging hub, and 3 batteries, may land around $1,500 before taxes. DJI could also introduce a creator combo, similar to what was done with the Mavic 4. Featuring expanded internal storage and the RC Pro 2 controller, potentially priced near $2,500. There's also the possibility of a built-in 4G module rather than a separately sold accessory. And perhaps finally, we could see an official electronic ND filter option introduced for the series. With an estimated weight around 700 grams, the Air 4 would maintain strong wind resistance and stability. Another reason why it remains such a popular choice for professionals who need reliability without stepping into premium pricing. So when can we expect to see the DJI Air 4 officially announced? Looking at DJI's release cycle, the Air 3S launched in October 2024, and DJI typically maintains a 2-year refresh cycle for major lineup updates. That points toward a likely release in the second half of this year. Of course, these are projections based on trends, leaks, and DJI's strategy. But if history tells us anything, the Air 4 could be one of the most balanced and capable mid-range drones we've seen yet. If you found this breakdown helpful and interesting, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to Technify for more drone leaks, tech insights, and upcoming product analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.